So, Professor Benayahu, you are a partner in TASCMAR projects. You are the work package 1 leader, the most important work package in this project. So what's your contribution to the project and what do you feel about this project, the outcome of the project?
Well, the goal of work package 1 is to obtain the bioresources, which are so critical for the other work packages. We are trying to obtain samples, diverse samples from different regions, all of them from mesophotic reefs. So here in Eilat, we use the opportunity to collect from the mesophotic unknown species. I mean species that were not recorded before, species that were not studied before. Some of them are new to science. So we have here quite an advantage. Our colleagues from other regions, like the Indian Ocean, like Andaman Sea, and the Western Mediterranean, they will also contribute to the bioresources by accumulating, by collecting samples from their region. Different regions have different organisms. There is almost no overlap. Actually, there is no overlap in bioresources when you speak about such a variety and yes, such a variety of regions. Andaman Sea on the one side, Indian Ocean on the other side, Western Mediterranean, and then of course the Red Sea. So work package 1 is going to obtain diverse bioresources for TASCMAR. Mesophotic reefs are considered to be reefs below 30 meters, which still enjoy sunlight, which is required for photosynthesis. How deep photosynthesis can take place depends on the clarity of the water. If the water are clear, normally the mesophotic depths go to a depth range between 50 to 70 meters. This is what is known worldwide. So below 70, not enough light. But here in Eilat, due to the clarity of the water, the mesophotic depth is down to 110, 120 meters, even 130 meters, and this is very unique and very exceptional. The reason why the water here are so clear is due to the fact that we are in a desert environment. No rainfall and no runoff from land, except for very rare occasions when there are floods. So the water remains clear year-round. This is not the case in the tropics, where you get hundreds and maybe thousands millimeters of water, of rain each year. Here in Eilat, if you get 5 millimeters or 7 millimeters per year, it's a record. So the water remains clear year-round. Despite the fact that these reefs are situated just at the northernmost edge of reef distribution, which means 30 degrees north of the equator, the diversity here is extremely high per unit area. It means there are many species per unit area. For some groups, like corals, soft corals, per unit area you have more species than in any other reef like the Great Barrier Reef, Australia. Well, this area is also unique because it's easy to access the reef. The reefs are fringing reefs near the shore, near the coastline. Actually, you take the equipment, which means your scuba gear, and you jump into the water. You can do it any time throughout the year. Well, although during winter time the water are a bit chilly, but no storms, no severe waves. It's very convenient, very calm, very safe. You jump into the water and then you're in paradise. Well, if you use scuba, you have depth limitation, which is 30 meters. So you don't hit the mesophotic, you stay in what we call shallow reef.